Hi everybody, it's me, Jordan here, and today is F-Up Day, when the operating system and every other third-party program on your computer wants to F up. The first gimmick that every computer seems to have, regardless of its make and model or operating system, is this double-click BS. It's like you just can't click on an icon or a desktop or what you want to call it, attachment. You just can't click on it once. Oh no, Windows doesn't work that way. If you click on something, Windows just sits there like it doesn't understand. You have to double click every damn thing. And sometimes double clicking basically means that when Windows does decide it wants to run the program's going to start coming at you multiple times. Okay, it does this all the freaking time. And about 7:30 in the morning was the worst time it could pull this stunt. First thing it does, I try to use Chrome. Well, first Chrome's spinning like an idiot. Won't even load up the tabs. Then Firefox doesn't want to work. So I click on that multiple times. It's like you just can't click on it once. A lot of people think, oh, you gotta click on it once and be patient. No, there shouldn't be you shouldn't have to do it that way. One click should be sufficient. It should go in. It shouldn't take this long time to do it. So I got all these multiple Firefoxes running at me. And I got all control delete them. And then all control delete starts acting out. And then around the same time this is, Norton tells me, hey, do you want to put on silent mode? And I click on yes, and what do? I end Norton's full system scan, and Norton gets pissed off and it disappears. So then I have to reboot the computer just to get Norton's security fleet back, so I can go for full system scan again. But then it wasn't enough for Windows, of course, because then once I got everything going, I had to double click on ArcSoft Video Companion, making a damn video on. It's like this. I mean, this is how it acts like. You want me to run a program with double click? No, you gotta double click on me multiple times for me to run the program. Oh yeah, I got the drivers and I know how to run all these programs that were put inside by default and the ones you installed in me, but I'm gonna be a prick and make it where you have to double click me. And I mean seriously, the operating system's an asshole sometimes. And sometimes all the other third-party programs that are in the operating system by default and the ones you install are assholes sometimes. And a lot of people are going to say, a lot of people might tell me, wait, but you're talking about a thing it's not alive. A computer doesn't have emotions or feelings or a soul and spirit. Yeah, I know. But it likes to act self-aware on these fuck-ups. Okay? It's like no matter what you do to keep something running right, it always likes to act up. Okay? Its attitude is like this. This is exactly what I think Microsoft Windows Vista's attitude is when it comes to my Dell computer. I'm 5 years old. I'm out of date. You should have stopped using me after 2009. I'm out of date. I've been 5 years out of date. I can't work right anymore. Gotta replace me. Yeah, some people think, but it's never been proven because nobody never took Microsoft up on their customer service privilege to ask them this. Some people think that Microsoft ends support on certain operating systems. They think that there are some people out there who think it's mandatory to jump to the newest one. So there's going to be people out there who think, oh, they're fucking with Vista, they're fucking with 7, or trying to get you to use 8. No. Even if they were by purposely doing it, I still wouldn't jump. Because I know my version of Microsoft Windows Vista is at least the version I have. It's been around for 8 years. Yes, it's been out of date for at least 5 years, but that's no excuse for its attitude. And plus, changing the operating system will not change the behavior of the computer. Even if I did get Microsoft Windows 7 or Microsoft Windows 8, I guarantee you the same crap that it likes to do, it would still do it. Quit freezing! And once again, this time the webcam recorder wants to go screen by screen. Okay, all the stuff that it would do on Microsoft Windows Vista, it would do on Microsoft Windows 7 and on Microsoft Windows 8. So it wouldn't have changed anything. It's always doing this. You know, and it's not, and people are going to say, but let me just cut you right off. I do run Norton Security Scan. I run updates, Norton Live Updates. I run Norton Full System Scan. I run everything in TuneUp, and I also do the disk identification. Hell, I even run Microsoft Windows Defender. I got the freaking firewall up, and I run Microsoft Windows Updates. And I clean crap out of the internet properties. So Microsoft Windows Vista and my computer can't sit there and say I don't do things to keep it running in tip-top condition. And you can do all that shit and it will still do crap to you. Because it likes to be an asshole. You know? And the computer's like, no. Why so serious? Don't get angry at me. Because you know how very expensive I am if you put a fist to me. Now. Don't get pissed off at me. Why so serious? I'm acting up. But hey, I got a right to act up. I'm 5 years old out of date. So yeah, that's about it. I'm Jordan and I'll see you later.